You know, it's been a while since we've reacted to some creepy stuff, huh? It's been a hot minute. I think it's about that time. These days are going by so damn fast that it might as well just be October already. Eternally. All the time. So, let's go ahead and do this. Death of Despair this time. 5 scary ghost videos that will make you fear solitude forever, which is kind of crazy because I enjoy solitude because I'm not necessarily in solitude, but whatever. Let's not go off topic. Let's go ahead and react to some Death of Despair.
2025, a mother noticed something disturbing with her son's giant inflatable Elmo balloon. Later that same night, she notices it again, so she pulls her phone out to record it and sees this.
What in the hell am I looking at right now?
It's doing it again.
She said again. Again? What do you mean again? Oh, man. Just for frame of reference, I'm looking down on my touchpad, my drawing tablet, because I have my stream thing on my drawing tablet, so that's why I keep looking down. My bad.
Stopped.
What is that? Is that Elmo? Oh, it is Elmo. Okay. I would not subscribe. And it just stood there. That is so creepy.
It just seemed like the balloon is naturally floating around the house.
That shit looked like it's literally walking. Did you not see his legs move? Like it was a living person? No. That thing is not floating around. That thing looked like it's actually walking. Then again, I haven't really had balloons that look like this. Because balloons are creepy as shit as it is. Sometimes you just be alone. Like that one guy that was alone in the school doing the janitor stuff in classrooms and the balloons kept following him. That was some creepy shit. That shit's happened to me sometimes too. Look, I got balloons. See? Look, I got balloons. They're stuck behind that monitor for a reason.
As he gets to the basement door, its movements just suddenly come to a halt. What makes this creepy is that according to the mother, every time she has seen the balloon move, it somehow always ends up at the basement door, then suddenly stops, never daring to go inside. To her, this was very strange and unsettling. The very next night, it happens again. Watch closely.
Like, look at him. Look at him. I don't think I need the closed captions. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This thing is turning around towards her slowly. Oh, wait a minute. No, wait, hold on.
Babe, come here.
Oh my god. I know y'all saw that motherfucker's legs move by itself. This shit is no pulling strings. It's no wind. None of that. No, I refuse to believe it. This thing's legs just move. Look at him. He's behind it. He's looking at you behind the wall. This is some real life scary movie shit. Not the parody, like literally scary movie.
It's the balloon. It just keeps going down to the basement.
Still with that balloon?
Yeah.
What is it doing now?
It's like it wants to go to the basement or something.
Oh, hell no. What the hell? Come back tomorrow morning. You didn't hear that hey? I mean, it's kind of hard to hear.
Ordinary is seen, but just after she reaches the bottom of the stairs.
And it's the fact that she turned around later. Like, she felt like something was watching her, but she didn't hear it go hey.
A disembodied whisper can be heard saying hey, as if something was aware that she entered the room. Although Rachel, the mother, didn't seem to hear this at the time. Something is clearly going on with the balloon and the basement. On another day, Rachel sees it moving again, and it doesn't dare enter the room. That is until her son Andrew decides to go in with it.
Pop that.
Although immersed in the iPad, her son Andrew just suddenly gets up and follows the balloon to the basement, without replying back to his mum. Finding it disturbing that the balloon was willing to enter the basement with Andrew, left Rachel deeply creeped out. So she ends the video abruptly and quickly rushes over to pull her son back inside, not wanting him to go down into the basement. On another night, she captures something utterly terrifying.
Okay, so that's a fake dog in the corner, right? That's a fake dog in the corner, right? I know her husband annoyed as hell. Oh my god, this motherfucker walking up the steps. Oh wow, they actually shut up. Elmo, get the away from me, Elmo. Get away from me, Elmo. Why looking at the picture, Elmo? Don't touch me, Elmo. Don't tickle me. Oh! What's your light? Oh my god, it just stopped. Yo, her husband spooked too, he said. But why he turn off the light? Why would you make it worse?
Before suddenly coming to a stop after she hits the
Her
light
husband said, ooh.
reaches the top of the stairs. All movements from the balloon
I'll be spooked as
come
shit
to a
looking at
stop
this.
The moment it reaches the top of the stairs.
It literally just
Just
stopped.
seems too unnatural. Given the strange behavior, it definitely doesn't seem like a coincidence.
Yeah, that's why I pop these
And even
shits.
the dogs in the house were
Especially
deeply
shit that look like
distressed
that.
when the balloon was moving upstairs.
It makes sense why they were barking. Guess that's what I was
Family
thinking.
wanted to get rid of the
You know?
balloon after this occurrence, as they could clearly see something isn't right with it. But to their surprise, their son Andrew refused to let them get rid of the balloon, even though he didn't really play with it. So the family decided to keep it, as it was going to deflate after a few more days anyway. The very next day, Rachel hears some banging noises that sounded like they came from her son's room. So she decides to pull her phone out and record while she checks his room.
Hey, Andrew.
Hi, Andrew. You're still on your tablet? Okay, never mind.
Andrew?
Andrew does not give a single shit. This boy does not care. He is stuck on that thing.
As she looks inside his room, 3 bangs can be heard.
Or maybe he knows something, but he doesn't want to admit it. Or maybe he... I don't want to say on the spectrum, but that's a red... I don't know. I mean, hey, yeah, but I felt like there's something deeper than it, though. Like, I feel like he knows what's going on, but he's just not saying what's going on. You know? Like, he hiding something. Not trying to accuse him, but that's what it feels like, low-key.
Another strange thing that many viewers in the comments noticed is that the boy doesn't seem to ever acknowledge his...
Right? That's so strange. He doesn't even acknowledge it. It's like he's, like, trying not to, like... be like, oh, it's fine. But it's like, even if he says that, it's going to be suspicious. Always suspicious enough to not say anything.
presence, or replied to her. Some people believe he is already possessed, or something is attached to him, which could be...
Was your house blessed by a priest? Blah, 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 blah. Happened to me, so I know. Oh, really? What's up with Vantra? Does he not talk or just not to you? Okay, now I'm convinced that your house is actually on to call a priest. What is your kid never acknowledge you? Could be possessed. I don't know about that one. But I feel like he hiding something. Like he knows what's going on. I don't think he's possessed though. Maybe, I don't know. I feel like a little bit of a reach.
The balloon appeared to be going to his room.
Because he was walking with that balloon like it was his friend.
When
Look.
the boy follows, as if it was trying to lure him down there. And on the next night after this, Rachel will soon believe the same thing. Because on the next night, she's home alone. When something downright horrifying happens, watch closely.
Oh my gosh. What am I about to witness? You know what? No.
We're gonna make some popcorn up in this bed.
What horrifying thing can happen? What can possibly happen with a damn Elmo balloon? That shit walking back. Uh-oh. Bro, this thing is literally alive. Okay, so like, why are you going to the basement though? Like Elmo, why are you going to the basement? Well, like, what's up in the basement? Oh, what the fuck? What is that? What is that? Is that a blob?
At the very top corner of the door above the
It didn't even fade away.
a terrifying, creepy forehead can be seen. Rachel saw
I thought it was the light or some shit.
but didn't realize what it was until she got closer. The forehead and hair are quite clear to see, but as she gets closer, what looks like two very dark black eyes can be seen. This caused Rachel to call her partner back home immediately, given all the strange behavior.
Hell no. Hell no. I saw that too.
Clear that someone or something was in the basement, which also explains the peculiar movements of the balloon that didn't seem to follow natural physics. Could it be
He's right. That is horrifying. That is very horrifying.
that the balloon is controlled by whatever is lurking down there and keeps going to the basement door, hoping that the boy will eventually follow it down there? Whatever the case, Rachel is completely terrified and has decided to keep the door locked as they continue to investigate. The Shed. On January the 31st of 2025, a man named Alex began to hear strange sounds coming from the roof of his house late at night. Not sure what it might be, he pulls his phone out and captures this.
So like, are you supposed to have a cat? Or do you not have a cat? Anywhere? No stray cats? Alan and El Teco de mi casa. Something is in his house. Alien and El. I don't know what deco means. De mi casa. Something is in his house is what I'm getting from there. That's a cat. That's a cat. Does he have a cat? I'm confused because like oh, okay, I see. I'm about to say, does he have a cat? Like Oh, what the hell?
After hearing strange sounds coming from the
I'm a little bit confused with what happened there, but that was creepy as shit. He was scared. You see his face?
so he quickly locks the door behind it and tries to communicate with it, but doesn't receive any response.
By yelling at it.
Alex says based on the way the house is designed, it would be nearly impossible for someone to climb on the roof. He believes it's something paranormal or an alien. So he sets up a security camera recording the shed to monitor whatever may be inside. And it doesn't take long for him to capture something disturbing. Watch closely. The door seemingly unlocks on its own and opens.
Something is clearly in there.
Mi propiedad de nuevo. Y una de mis perras está afuera llorando que quiere entrar. Déjame que te muestre algo. Esa es mi perra.
Come on, man. In the arms of the- Like, come on.
Mis perras. He estado llorando afuera que quiere entrar. Pero algo está extraño. Y te voy a decir por qué. Déjame que te muestre esto. Esto es una locura. Lady. Mi perro ha estado dentro. Mi perro ha estado dentro del garaje.
What?
Por las últimas 3 horas.
You mean to tell me that the dog out the window was not your dog, but your dog was in the garage this whole time? I thought the door in the garage was open or some shit. You said your dog's been in the garage this whole time. Yeah, I mean, shit, you never know what's happening. He could be making this all up. Somebody could be in the shed. He could have another dog that was just like that. He trained to be outside like that. Hey, but if that isn't the case, that's some scary shit right there. What the hell?
Eso. Eso que está afuera no es mi perro. Lo que está afuera es algo que tomó la forma de mi perra y que quiere que lo deje entrar. Algo que obviamente
Like I say, this could be fake, but if it's real, that's some scary shit. But come on now.
no puede entrar en mi casa sin que yo le abra la puerta. Esa no es mi perra. Vete de aquí.
You saw how I looked down?
Vete de aquí, tú no perteneces a este mundo.
A dog that looks identical to his own can be
There has to be another dog that looks just like the dog. Come on now.
A supuestamente Lady, mi perra, y no era mi perro. Yo tengo 5 perros, pero como Lady tiene una situación de que está en celos, se ha quedado esta semana en el garage porque está. Estas son 3 de las perras grandes. La que ven ahí se llama Lady, que es la que algo trató de hacerse parecer a ella anoche.
I don't believe that. I don't believe that. I really don't believe that. He has to have another dog that looks just like her. Come on, man.
Lady está en heat. Estas son las 2 otras chiquitas.
That motherfucker said that shit in English.
Desde que vinieron, vino también un presa a limpiar. Pero el puto sonido de nuevo vino. ¿Qué
So is that sound effect I keep hearing? Is that the strange sound?
mierda? Lady. Hasta Lady tiene miedo.
Oh wait, that's an actual sound in the video.
Les he mostrado anteriormente, pero no veo muy bien, es de noche y
What the? What is that? What is that? You see that? Oh!
let's go.
Oh no! Hell no! Get the here! That motherfucker, you talking in English? Get the hell up out of here! That thing gonna chase you.
What looks like a tall, dark figure can be seen.
Nah, man, that's an intruder. Nah, you gotta get the gun. No. I think this shit fake, but damn, it got me.
A
Aww.
mother named Amanda was filming her daughter talking to her grandma's urn while playing with the display cabinet. Amanda's mother had
Man, listen, kids not even noticing it. They be talking to some spirits, man. They really do, man. They really do. I believe that. I do believe that.
passed away.
A month after my mother passed away in my home, my 1-year-old daughter, was talking to her Grammy's urn, and this happened. Okay, well, still though, I was like, what am I looking at? At least put like black edges around the text. Like, damn. Oh, what was that?
Looks like a dark figure can be seen dashing across the room right in front of the camera. Now, Amanda didn't notice anything strange at the time, and only saw this on.
What is that? Is that a vacuum cleaner? I mean, there's one right. There's literally a vacuum cleaner right there. I don't even know what this is. This could be fake, but what is this though?
After reviewing the footage,
What is that?
thinking her mother is still watching over her, she felt a sense of relief. However, some people in the comments warned this is an evil entity trying to get to her in her most vulnerable moments.
That shit
As
was
always,
solid.
Let me know what you think. Subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out.
Man. Oh, there's one more. Okay. I'm probably gonna watch another one after this. This one was okay. The first part
In the next video,
and the other
Amanda
part
has
with
a
the guy and the
small
dog, that
collection
was
of
scary.
gorgeous dolls and figures on her bedroom table. Nothing
Table.
strange had ever happened before, but on one particular night, she was woken up to a strange sound in her room. And when she turned the lights on, she saw something she couldn't explain.
What's going on with the reflection on the right? Is that a reflection? What's
Doll's
happening?
mouth starts moving on its own, and it looks like it's talking and saying something.
What the
This
f?
little girl completely freaked out, not knowing what this could mean.
There's a video of Robert the doll blinking for a split second, and it could be edited. But I don't even want to test that shit because like every time we go Robert the doll, there's like notes in the back saying I'm sorry, Robert, and essays and stuff. So I'm not even gonna talk about that.
So whatever is going
But like something like in that Robert the doll video, something like that happened with his eyes. So I don't know if it's because of the video quality, could be that. But that's scary as shit.
on remains unknown. But if you want to see the story of a
We're gonna watch another one, but damn, that was creepy. That sure was creepy.